Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Bumblebee ability in the Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, this is how the Bumblebee looks like, and before I show you the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the Bumblebee. So if you want to get the Bumblebee, you need to have the Hive Egg, and you can purchase the Hive Egg from here from the honey coin shop, and then you're going to scroll down and purchase this Hive Egg. And from this egg, you will have a chance to get the Bumblebee, and you will have 65.5% chance to get Bumblebee. I've already got the Bumblebee, and now let's view the ability of this Bumblebee. Is it different from the bee? I don't know. Let's view it. Okay, this is an uncommon pet. Every 15 minutes flies to a nearby fruit and pollinates it, applying pollinated mutation. Okay, basically, this pet can give you pollinated mutation. But of course, if you want to equip this pet, you need to switch to your normal garden. Pet doesn't work in the honey garden, guys, unfortunately. Okay, guys, and that's all about the Bumblebee in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.